Hi everyone, welcome to week 1. In week 1, we're going to be focusing on the following. And each week, I'm going to be providing an instructor video to help you understand what the expectations are for that week. If you have any questions, always let me know, but I'm always here to assist in any way I can. I'm easily able to pre-grade any of your work if you need me to, or provide additional resources. So right now, here's what you have to do for this week. You're going to have your introduction, and your introduction is going to consist of 4 posts. Your initial post and 3 peer responses. Then you have 2 discussion boards and your quiz, which is due by day 6, which is Sunday. The chapters you're going to be reading are chapters 1 through 3. The discussion questions are going to be focused on the role of economic systems and the government. When we look at various economic systems, you'll notice that the role of profit incentive is very important in economics, and especially within our economy. The reason is because profit determines a lot of the decisions that people make. So when we look at this question, it's going to be asking about human capital, which is your investment in education. And it's going to be looking at what is your opportunity cost of obtaining a degree. When we look at your opportunity cost, you know you're going to be focusing on what you have to give up to get. So make sure to focus on what you're giving up to actually be in the course, not the money to pay for the course, because that's not something you're giving up. It would be the use of the money would be something you're giving up. In your initial post, you need to make sure to have an in-text citation and reference in APA formatting, as that's part of the requirements. And if you can focus on that in supporting the question, you'll do well. Now, question number 2 is looking at the role of government. When we look at the role of government, you notice we're going to be focused on how the government gets involved in different decisions that are made in our economy. So you're going to be looking at a mixed economy, and we're going to be looking at what type of allocation is dependent upon these factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurial talent. And you're going to focus on whether you favor more of a larger or smaller role in government. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure to review my let me click right here for you. I want to show you some things that you want to click on. Make sure to review my announcements. These announcements will be very important for understanding what is the expectations in the course. Always click on all of these to understand what am I looking at and what can really assist with your ability to do well. Here on this side, you want to click on the syllabus. Here's the APA style standards. Here's the calendar, which is going to be focused on what we're doing each week. Here's how you're going to be graded in the course. If you click right here, you're going to meet the instructor. So I have a little bit about myself right here in this area. I have the expectations, and ask your instructor if you have any questions. So I think this should help you out this first week to understand what the basis of my expectations and in the course. And if you have any more questions, please let me know, but I look forward to your effort.